guys, Darrion here with Blue Moon Yoga Clovis. Today we are going to work on perfecting your Chaturanga. So our Chaturanga Dandasana, or your vinyasa flow, as you will hear in a lot of vinyasa classes, is a very difficult posture, but it's also one of the foundation postures for a lot of the more advanced or intermediate postures, such as arm balances, handstands, headstands, etc. So if you are ready to perfect your Chaturanga today, we're going to go ahead and get started. The number one tip I always have for students is modify as needed. So it's really, really easy to build bad or poor looking habits for your body in Chaturanga. So first things first is I always like to recommend, if you notice something that looks off or feels off in your Chaturanga, bring your knees to the mat, practice a modified version until you feel strong, and then move on to lifting your knees up to a full high plank to low plank. So today with our exercise, we're going to use two different blocks to help show the alignment in your body. If you don't have two blocks, that's okay, but it just kind of helps to show you guys where your body's shifting. So we'll start on our hands and our knees. We'll take our two blocks. We're going to bring one block right in front of our fingertips here. Second block is going to probably come about an inch behind that wrist. We want the blocks on the highest level. Starting from tabletop here, you can either leave your toes untucked or you can tuck your toes under if you'd like a little bit more support. Bringing the navel in and up, pressing the floor away from you to find that protraction of the shoulder blade, so really widening across the backside of the body. In Chaturanga Dandasana, you always want to look forward. You go where your gaze goes. You want to shift forward so that the shoulders pass the wrists. Once the shoulders pass the wrists, then you will lower down to your 90-degree, elbows back, shoulders down, 90-degree angles, elbows in line with the shoulders, and you press up. The first thing, or the number one thing that I see a lot of our students do, is they just lower down before shifting forward. So if you see me lower down before I shift forward, you'll see my elbows kind of do this funny 45-degree angle, and I'm going to lose that back block to the ground. The moment I lose that block to the ground is a really good indication that my alignment is incorrect. So I'll demonstrate that one more time. Without shifting forward, if I lower down, elbows create that funky 45-degree angle, and I lose the block. First thing you want to train in your Chaturanga alignment, look forward, shift forward, move forward, elbows over wrist, and then lower down 90-degree Chaturanga. Inhale, press up. I'll show that one more time. Spread wide through the fingers. Look forward, lean forward, elbows to ribs, elbows in line with shoulders. Press up. Moving on to high to low plank, extending out through the legs, out through the heels, navel pulls in, hips in line with shoulders, spread wide through fingers, abducting through shoulders. Again, look forward, lean forward, exhale, lower, elbows to ribs, and then you can inhale, lower high cobra. Exhale, downward dog, full vinyasa. We'll show that one more time, coming down to hands and knees. Spread wide through fingers, high plank, heels work back, navel pulls in and up. Look forward, inhale, lean forward. Exhale, elbows to ribs. Press up. So, number one tip for Chaturanga Dandasana, modify as needed. Bring your knees to the floor. Build those healthy habits, build those strong shoulders. Second things first, or second things second, I should say. Look forward, lean forward before you lower down. Create that 90-degree angle so that the elbows come in line with the ribs and that your elbows stay stacked over your wrist. Remember these couple things and you'll be mastering your Chaturanga soon.